When Volvo Cars first presented the XC40 in 2017, it was a fresh, creative, and distinctive addition to the Volvo lineup. 5 years later, it is an award-winning staple in the company's portfolio and one of the car maker's constant top sellers. To reinforce its cutting-edge design and modern statement, Volvo Cars designers have now given the XC40 lineup a refresh. A new front bumper and a frameless grille plate keep the all-electric XC40 Recharge visually in sync with the Volvo XC40 Recharge, aligning the two cars that symbolize Volvo Cars' electrification journey. The signature Thor's hammer headlights are augmented with state-of-the-art pixel LED light technology, enabling them to automatically adapt to traffic in front and efficiently light up the road ahead without dazzling other drivers. Additionally, customers will receive premium leather-free upholstery options in the pure electric XC40 Recharge, as well as new exterior colors and rims, offering further possibilities for personalization.